I'm Bree Pettis, CEO of MakerBot, and today it is my distinct pleasure to present to you the latest addition to the MakerBot 3D ecosystem. The new MakerBot Replicator desktop 3D printer is a 5th generation technology that's setting the standard in reliability, quality, and connectivity. It's our fastest and easiest to use printer yet. It's powered by the intuitive and easy to use MakerBot 3D platform. Software and firmware designed to work seamlessly together. The MakerBot Replicator is cloud and app enabled. That means you can connect to it however you want, phone, a tablet, or your desktop computer. Let's talk about some of the features of the desktop 3D printer. First up, the MakerBot Smart Extruder. It's got a brain, so it can alert you when it needs you to swap out and put in more filament. It sends you a message and allows you to continue making a model, whereas before you would have had to just start all over. Another amazing feature is the 3.5-inch full-color LCD display. The user interface for this display is this knob, and we modeled this knob on high-end stereo systems. You're going to be able to use this display to access your entire model library and choose what you want to make. 100-micron layer resolution means that you can make things that just look amazing and blow people's minds. You also have the freedom to choose between a fast draft or a very high-quality, high-resolution model. The MakerBot Replicator build volume is 456 cubic inches. One of the things that the onboard camera allows you to do is remote monitoring. That means you can go pour yourself a cup of tea, and while you're doing it, check the status of your 3D model. It also is a very powerful tool for sharing. The machine can snap a picture for you, and that makes it easy for you to share your model on Thingiverse and other social networks. We have upgraded the gantry on this machine into a configuration that's in the shape of the letter H. We've also sprinkled some sugar on the motion control system so that it goes faster and smoother. We've taken the guesswork out of leveling your build platform with the assisted leveling procedure. The machine helps you do the leveling process, which means you get to printing faster, easier, and with less stress than ever before. It's powerful enough for professionals and affordable enough for everyone. We can't wait to see what you'll make.
This is the Ultimaker 2 Plus, a unique 3D printer with an innovative open source platform and a global community. Let's take a look at what makes it one of the best desktop 3D printers ever. The Ultimaker 2 Plus has a large build volume, and yet it can easily fit onto any desk. It has a swappable nozzle, so you can quickly switch between different nozzle sizes. The standard is 0.4mm, but you also have the option to use a 0.25mm nozzle for detailed prints or 0.8mm for fast prints. It's really easy to level the build plate using the printer's assisted leveling process. Set the right height by turning a knob while using the Ultimaker calibration card. To clean the plate, simply open the clamps and remove it. To bring your 3D model to life, you'll need to prepare it for print using Cura, our free slicer software. You can either choose a preset or tinker with the expert settings. Once done, a G-code file is saved to an SD card, which slots into the Ultimaker 2 Plus for standalone printing. You'll start the print with a control panel, which also lets you make any adjustments during the print. Because it has a heated glass build plate, you can print using many different materials. The Ultimaker 2 Plus has a powerful 35-watt heater cartridge, which not only heats the nozzle in under a minute, but also allows for really fast prints. The new fan caps ensure the airflow is aimed perfectly below the nozzle and equally from both sides, whilst the new sun-on fans are barely audible. Its new sensitive temperature sensor provides accurate readings so you can tweak the settings with precision for optimized print quality. The Ultimaker 2 Plus uses an open filament system so you can use any kind of filament you want. When you combine the numerous materials that are available with different nozzles, the possibilities are endless. The powerful gear feeder pushes the filament into the printhead with ease. It also allows you to control the pressure. So, for example, with softer filaments, the pressure can be set lower. Incredibly, the printhead has a travel speed of up to 300 mm per second and a build speed of up to 24 cubic millimeter per second. But even at such speed, it will reliably and accurately print your models. It has a remarkable layer resolution range, so you can go from 600 microns all the way down to a finely detailed 20 microns. This gives you the freedom to create really fast drafts, detailed prints, and everything in between. And if that wasn't enough, it also comes with a comprehensive 12-month warranty, free lifetime technical support via email or phone, and a huge online knowledge base. So when you add it all up, the Ultimaker 2 Plus is one of the most innovative, reliable, and altogether powerful desktop 3D printers ever created.
We took the world's best-selling SLA 3D printer and made it even better. Introducing the Form 2. Powered by a precision optical engine, the Form 2 creates laser-sharp prints with beautiful detail. With a larger build volume and smarter technology, the Form 2 is designed for performance. Now you can create perfect prototypes right on your desktop. We've redesigned the way we print. A new peel mechanism, a wiper, and a heated resin tank work together so you can print parts not possible on other machines. An integrated resin system adds materials automatically. With wireless connectivity, sending prints to your machine is simple. The Form 2 is built for collaboration. You can monitor progress, receive notifications, or easily share your printer with your team. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability. The Form 2, the most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.
Hi there, Ben Malouf here to introduce the Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printer. Our engineering teams have been hard at work here in Colorado, and I'm excited to go over all the upgrades that make the Lulzbot Mini 2 our best printing, easiest to use, and most reliable 3D printer ever. Now, if you're already a fan of the Lulzbot Mini, you'll be happy to know that everything you love is still here. Legendary Lulzbot versatility, reliability, and ease of use, the rugged powder-coated aluminum frame, and of course the carry handle. But while it may look very similar on first glance, there's a ton of new innovation to talk about here, so let's get into the features. The first obvious feature change is the LCD screen. This means the Lulzbot Mini 2 is tetherless out of the box with no need to be connected to a computer to operate the machine. Just put your G-code onto the included SD card, pop it in the printer, and select your file from the LCD menu. Next up, let's talk about the re-engineered and innovative belt drive Z-axis. The benefits? First of all, speed, which really makes a difference when starting a new print or making manual axis adjustments. But the big benefit of the belt drive is in print quality. No lead screws, no potential for Z-banding. The next two obvious changes are the tool head and the print bed. The Mini 2's Aero Extruder V2 tool head is powered by a genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder and hot end, and features a powerful part cooling fan with 4-way ducting. This gives you acclaimed E3D hot end quality and extrusion accuracy, and allows you to print both rigid materials and flexibles up to 290 degrees Celsius. The The heated bed is capable to 120 degrees Celsius and features a reversible borosilicate glass and PEI print surface, which simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to experiment with different substrates. Another thing you may have noticed is the noise, or lack thereof. Thanks to the Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper drivers on the INC Retro control board, the Mini 2's motors run much quieter than on any printer we've ever built before, which makes it a great addition to classrooms, libraries, and offices. Like all Lulzbot 3D printers, the Mini 2 is built here in Loveland, Colorado, and comes with a 1-year warranty and our renowned technical support. Extended warranties are also available. Just ask a Lulzbot sales associate for details.